I got this brilliant idea to turn all the cat water bowls into little aquariums for them, since they kept digging into our actual like planted tanks and reef tank. So they like to get into stuff they think they're not supposed to be into, so this was perfect. So we put the fake fish in there and everything, and they're always playing with them and like batting around in there, so it makes it more enriching. So you'll see them throughout our house. So here's one, and one of our cats, Toulouse, keeps stealing the lionfish out of it, and you'll find it throughout the house. He loves this thing. He'll beg for it. Normally he's a little crazier for it, but he already ran around nuts this morning. He'll even run and like hide it somewhere so I can't get it. Sometimes he even pulls out every plant. So we have about 6 of these in our house scattered throughout for our 3 cats. And we'll find plants and toys everywhere. It's just super funny to watch throughout the day. And here he is, thinks he's actually hunting. I hope this brightens your day as much as ours.